Toy from Jaren.
I hope I didn't say anything that really offended you, and I hope you didn't take anything to heart. I was just confused when you brought up our backgrounds repeatedly because I know you're not really like that. But I understand that it was a battle, so fair enough, bro. Whatever is on the line, I value our friendship more, brother. And I'm glad we were able to have fun, even though it was a battle.
Love you, my broski.
Siyempre kuya, medyo gumaan po yung pakiramdam ko kuya na yung kay Jaren naman ho about kumbaga sa pagkakaibigan ho naming dalawa kuya.
To Kuya D from Kai.
Bruh, you know I was kidding. Kuya D, you know me and I know you. Those were all for funsies. I know you're not that affected because we both know what we both said to each other ain't the truth.
However, if you were offended, I apologize, Kitty, truly. I hope you didn't take it to heart.
And also, I have nothing against you. I understand your side